guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I have an UGG boot haul, and I bought the classic clear mini weatherproof boots in the color dragon fruit, and it's like a fuchsia hot pink. And I just love that they're weatherproof, because most Uggs, you can get them like damp or wet, but you don't want to like splash in puddles and like put your foot in snow. But these you can get in snow, you could get in puddles, you can get them wet, and it doesn't matter. So I had to have a pair of these in my collection. I love that it's clear and you could see like the fleece coming through. I think that's super cute. And usually I size down, but in these I got my true size because I was worried that the opening that you put your foot in wouldn't be wide enough, because lately UGG has been kind of narrow at the foot opening. So I had no trouble with these, and they still felt snug on my feet like a normal pair of Uggs do. So I just want to share with you my new Ugg boots. I'm excited to wear these this winter. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.